Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to collect information from visitors on your website, whether that's for contact forms, signups, or feedback, today's video is for you. I'm going to guide you step by step through how to add a form to your Webflow website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly set up and customize a working form that looks great on your site, even if you've never done it before. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's start by opening up your project in Webflow. Once you're in the designer, look over to the left side of your screen. Here you'll find the Add panel, which is where all the essential building blocks for your website live. Go ahead and click on the plus icon to open this panel. Think of it as your toolbox for creating new elements on your site. Now we're searching for something called a container. In Webflow, a container is like a flexible box that centers your content and helps keep things tidy and responsive across different screen sizes. Imagine it as a sturdy frame that holds and positions everything just right, no matter how big or small your viewer's device might be. You can either scroll through the elements list until you spot container or type container in the search bar at the top of the panel. This really speeds things up if you have a lot of elements to sift through. Once you find it, drag and drop it right onto your page where you want your form to appear. Don't rush this part, take a second to make sure it falls in a spot that makes sense for your layout. With your container in place, it's time to add the form itself. Head back to the Add Elements panel and type Form into the search bar. You'll see a few different options pop up, but for the basics, you just want the standard form block. Go ahead and drag that form into the container you just placed. By nesting the form inside the container, you're ensuring it's nicely centered and aligned, giving it a polished, professional look. If you ever get a little lost, just remember, container first, then your form goes inside. Here comes the fun part, customizing your form. Webflow gives you a ton of flexibility here. You might want a simple contact form with just a name, email, and message box, or maybe you're looking to collect a bit more information. You can easily add or remove fields, change labels, and adjust button styles. Just click on any part of the form to bring up customization options. Think about the information you really need from your visitors, and don't be afraid to get creative with the design. Want rounded corners or a different background color? Experiment with the Style tab until it matches your brand's vibe. And remember, every little tweak you make here is helping your form feel more inviting to your users. That's all there is to it. You've just added a form to your Webflow site, and hopefully you can see how powerful and surprisingly easy it is to create interactive features without touching a line of code. If something doesn't look quite right away, don't panic. Forms are meant to be customized, and it's totally normal to fiddle around until it feels perfect. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or hit a snag, drop a comment below. I or someone from our community will be happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Webflow tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.